What if I could show you a way to literally save thousands of dollars on your retirement planning? This way, you'll get complete projections, graphs, and charts and have a step-by-step plan that in the end, you'll be able to print out and use. How's that sound? Now, this method is so simple and intuitive, it'll seem like you are talking with your best friend. This method just may be the perfect solution for someone who's just starting out. Maybe it is used for someone like me, a small two-person business doing content creation. Can you guess what I'm talking about? Well, the program is called CHAT GPT, an artificial intelligence platform that its roots go back to 1957 when it was first created, or for that matter, any AI-related software. However, for the purpose of this video, the AI program I tested is specifically called CHAT GPT. So, my opinion of using AI for retirement planning is based on the data and research. The answer pains me to say yes, of course it can. However, the answer to my friends and family is, you must remember AI is only as good as the person submitting the data. Remember, you don't know what you don't know, and in reality, that could cause you thousands over your lifetime. Now, any AI platform may make mistakes with your information by not asking additional questions necessary to project potential pitfalls. However, I would never give it my exact financial and personal data because I don't know how that data would be used or stored. My really huge issue is that of trust. Does the AI platform have a data scrub option where it removes my personal and financial information easily at my request? And I've read the user agreement. As a professional corporate security manager for an international Fortune 34 company of $43 billion in sales, my professional opinion is, I'm not willing to risk it. And here's why. AI uses everybody's information, no matter if it's right or wrong, to learn and grow. However, for me, I would never give it my exact financial and personal data during this test because I don't know how that data would be used or stored. Retirement planners know the right questions. They know the new tax tables. They have a set of rules and procedures to protect your privacy. This is why I would suggest you do your own research and decide what is right for you, not financial advice. And let me say, nothing in this video is considered financial advice. I am not a planner, and this is for entertainment only. Talk to a planner and attorney before starting any planning. Now back to the video. Now for me, I would take my retirement planner's opinion 100% of the time over AI. Now you may think this is because AI is so new. I would like to point out that AI has been around since the year 1957, so it's not really new technology. My AI research has come up with some very valid points that may be changing my mind, not my security belief. Now, if you are just starting out, or you're not financially ready to work with a planner, this may be the right answer for you. For the sake of this video, we'll as an average set of data and we'll accept whatever AI produces for us as a starting document. Let's get started. Starting out with AI, frankly, you won't be able to use the free version to develop a full plan because you will use your time and data up on your first major question. So expect to pay around $24 a month. You can cancel at any time. Read the fine print if you join the service. Some of the major benefits would be you would get AI to analyze your financial data, risk tolerance, and goals to provide tailored recommendations to help you learn and get started. The AI-powered algorithms identify optimal investment strategies for your general needs. It can automate portfolio rebalancing to adapt to market changes. As things change in your life, like maybe a new baby, a part-time job, or you need another car, you'll have to feed this data into AI like you would a planner. Expect your first projections to change, no matter if you use AI or a professional. AI makes it easy to use with its intuitive interface. You have the option to talk verbally or type if you need to. It offers real-time tracking and progress updates for your retirement plan. The best part is, it picks up where you left off and continues to work on your plan or make an adjustment to a section. You're in control. You decide if what you see and hear is the direction for your needs. Although you know my recommendation, use a planner if you have $10,000 or more to start your retirement plan. You'll need to call around and see who will work with an amount under, say, $50,000. So, it should not come as a shock that you already have AI in your life. If you have the new iPhone, well, it's even more in your life than you know. I have been impressed with the increased accessibility and affordability of financial or retirement advice. It may actually provide more proactive and personalized financial management than, say, someone in the business for 30 years who is set in their ways and not on the cusp of new ideas and technologies. But this is rare. AI can offer you greater control over your financial future if you have given it enough of the right information. Remember, most people don't know what they don't know. This can impact your plan without a planner asking the right questions. Many in a larger office have specialties like investing your money for maximizing returns for your retirement. Others may be better using your information to direct you into real estate, gold or silver, and specialize into crypto. Others may specialize in getting your finances together, getting your student loan repaid, credit cards and car payments all paid off to start your life with little or no debt. Remember Dave Ramsey? He says the only debt he can see is a mortgage. Otherwise, debt is dumb. And, well, you're not dumb. Remember, I said in my opinion, always work with a certified retirement professional if you have a minimum of $10,000. Not everybody will want to work with you, so continue to make calls until you find someone you feel confident with. However, if you feel your situation is different, then I encourage you to try something like CHAT GPT. Simply ask it questions, you'll be surprised with the data it returns. I use CHAT GPT in a different way. In my personal case, I use it as my C-level manager, my board of directors, my sales manager, my production manager, my graphics designer, my thumbnail creator, all for the mere cost of around $24 for the paid version. There's a few softwares out there that use kind of an AI piece to it. I'm not going to say it's an AI program. It just takes a sliver of AI's features and abilities and layers it into understandable data you can understand, just like many CRM programs. Planning software is always changing based on new laws or tables. AI will eventually catch up with that information over time, but at tax time, is that really the time you want to be surprised? If you've ever received a financial plan from a private banker, it can take weeks and you'll get like a 65-page report. AI utilizes your data and creates a plan from start to finish in roughly 30 minutes of supplying information, then making some corrections. You can ask Chat, what else should I know to create the perfect retirement plan? Chat will think about it and should give you a list of other specific areas. Then you take those areas and fill them out. And boom, just like that, you have a basic retirement plan. Now, just like working with a retirement planner, this document is living and must be adjusted every 6 to 12 months to stay current and in line with your desires. Now, I work very hard to bring you current content. If you like this video, please consider hitting the like, subscribe, and drop me a question or statement in the comments below. On the screen is a video link to another video I believe you would enjoy. Click on the small picture to watch the video. Thank you, my friends and subscribers, and I will see you in the next video.